Hello and welcome to the Listening Posts unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm not unboxing anything. Today I'm taking the opportunity to celebrate 25 years in this industry by introducing 25 products that I genuinely feel are iconic as far as my time in this industry. And weirdly, it's a CD player. It's a relatively cheap CD player. It's a single disc from NAD, the NAD C568. The reason I'm celebrating this has a Wolfson 24-bit digital to analog converter on board. Back in my day, a 24-bit upscaling, upconverting DAC would have cost tens of thousands of dollars. It would have had the complexity associated with trying to introduce a coax digital cable competent of the job, error correction, time clocks, you name it. And now, in this very modestly priced CD player, do you not only get a really stable transport, which is the mechanics of bringing the disc to, clamping and spinning the CD, but also the digital to analog converter to be able to render that information virtually perfectly, sonically superior than you could imagine 25 years ago. It's absolutely stunning. It's award-winning. It's got some basic cool features. It's got a USB on the front. It'll play MP3s and WMA files off the USB, so kind of covers off that multi-disc kind of, want some music, dinner party, that kind of stuff. It's absolutely awesome. It's built well, it's brilliantly reliable, it sounds amazing. And despite it being a CD player in the streaming world, it really does help to solidify my experiences in this industry over 25 years and highlight that we've got some wonderful products available today. Things that would have cost oodles, a ridiculous amount of money 25 years ago, is now really affordable. It's really reliable, it sounds amazing. So there we have it. NAD's C568 BEE CD player. Lovely, it's stunning. I love it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.